How to overlay two pictures in Word. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So as you can see, there are two pictures separate in this Word document. Now, in order to overlay this, what you will have to do is right click on the picture, then wrap text. Then select through, and now you will be able to overlay these pictures. But if you want to add inside of this picture, all you have to do is wrap text in front of the text, and now you will be able to add it like this. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.